In the picture, Bordando el manto terrestre, by Remedios Varos, we can identify different types of speeches. In the first one, we have the metaphor. The woman is represented as the creator of the world that can be compared or linked to the childbirth. Secondly, the hyperbole. It exaggerates the ability of creation of the human race. In the picture, they create the world. And third, but not less, the antithesis. We can see the contrast between colors in the land, sky, and sea, assuming one of them represents the light and the other the darkness in the world.
This piece of art is by Leonora Carrington and is called La Hermana del Minotauro. We are going to analyze this piece of art in the rhetoric system. Well, first we can see that in irony it's shown the day and the night. In the right side we can see the date, and in the left side we can see the night. This is an ironic side of the image. Then in personification we can see that there are two unnatural characters. One of them is the bull that is shown like a human character because it has clothes and it's eating in the table. In the other side of the bull, we can see a human plant that it's shown like it is a human. After that, we can see that there are a lot of metaphors. In one of them, we can see that the bull is showing power. Why? Because it's like intimidating the other characters of the piece of art. Apart from that, we can see that the flower in the floor is showing a death of something. And we can see the plant throwing something in the table, and we can interpret that it's the death of something. Next, we can see that an hyperbole. Why? Because the piece of art that she did is exaggerating because the human plant, is a bit out of size. The figure in the right that we are seeing is that it is like an angel. This is a similar thing because it's shown like a white spirit and has a crown just like an angel. The parody is another thing that we can see. We can interpret that the human plant and the bull are shown like the parents of the two kids that are there. Finally, we can see that there's an antithesis because the plant is alive and the flowers on the floor are dead. That's all that we can see in this piece of art.
Well, firstly, I think for me it's some kind of strange personification because Frida Kahlo is using a deer with her own head, so I think it's a personification because it looks like kind of a human. I also think it could be some kind of metonymy because the deer king represents like her destiny or some kind of medical condition that she has, and the arrows also can get a meaning that is like her failure